Okay, February 4th, 2005. My little buddy went for a walk today because it was nice. And then he let me know 3 times that he needed a soak, taking up the whole bathtub like he does. Look at this guy. He's almost 3. He'll be 3 on March 5th. He hatched. And this guy is not gonna fit in the tub too much longer. He went on a trip down to a sunny field, and then I had to huff and puff and bring him up on the wagon, and then we went to the cornfield for an hour. So he had his first good day out after being cooped up. And it's supposed to be icy the next couple days, so hopefully he got his fill. But he had to let me know 3 times today. He turned around twice, his big clunky self, in this tub to let me know he wanted to soak some more. Anyway, and then we'll take a video when you go downstairs to eat. All right. Little Stumpy's about to come down, and he's all ready. So I use these two pillows, and then of course his heated blankets on. But he likes these things because he goes back, and it's more like a burrow, and he stays at the back of that, and he usually goes behind a pillow. He's a country club. Oh, I need my pillows, and then that's his portion. I think he'll eat after he was eating grass and everything in the yard. And then I have that snack pack on standby when he comes. Hopefully he won't huff and puff. Little buddy, I'm coming up to get you. I'm coming up. Oh, you're still there. Chilling. Oh, you kicked your legs out a little different. You about ready, or did you start huffing and puffing because you know what's gonna go on? Yep, you let me give you neck rubs earlier, little buddy. What, you want to stay in there longer? Come on, you've been in there long enough. Okay, we get a Stumpy towel. This is how we dry him off. And for those of you that have turtles that are big enough, what I do is I use the skinny tub thing to my advantage. Because when I get this big sucker, I just have him rest. Now, all right, so if you're seeing this, I set his big butt right here where he can't go nowhere. He can't do nothing. And then what I do is I put the big towel up over him. He's used to this because I've done it 100 times. And he sits right here, and I start it draining, then I take him down. All right, getting your fingers under this big guy. Come on, man. All right, we're going. We're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I count the steps. All right. Okay, honey. He's ready to check his bottom.
Oh, you're like, oh, there's
my gosh. There.
I'm sure it's fine. We've been here before. It looks fine. Whatever, dude.
All right. Okay. Oh, goodness. His legs don't work so well after a soak. As you can see, he's humongous. for an almost 3-year-old tortoise. But that's an 18-inch plate and it looks small. This guy. Okay. We're gonna do it. Let me get a pillow. I can't believe you're gonna eat this whole thing, and the snack pack, and 2 treats, and 8 grass. I don't know why he was eating and he ate outside.
He's just hungry today. Are you gonna have any more? Are you gonna wait and see if he goes?
He's gonna go in. But look, he ate the crap out of that treat. I can only break off another couple little sections. Man, you ate more than that than I thought, little buddy. There you go. There you go. There's a nice treat section. He's getting a little better about me touching his legs. He doesn't mind so much. Do you, little buddy? He doesn't mind. You ready to go to bed? Okay. Oh, now he's flipping. You making it comfy? Yep, and then we bring this a little bit down, just a little bit. And then who knows, he might watch TV for a little while. He might just go straight back. My hand looks small compared to him now. And I'm 6 foot. There you go, buddy. Okay, this is what Stumpy does. So he went back in his burrow and he is watching TV and wondering why a light's in his face. Say goodnight, little Stumpy. Say goodnight to everybody.